morning students, how are you all? I hope good and safe. Before start the lesson, everyone you must purchase textbook Nana. Those who are not having textbooks, what we are teach that in lesson you cannot understand. So everyone you must purchase in textbook. Okay, today I will start that in lesson. So what is that lesson name? Look at that. Third lesson, The Magic Lamp of Aladdin. This is a very interesting story. It's having in magical powers of some members. Okay, in the story. Okay, third lesson, The Magic Lamp of Aladdin. Okay, what is we all learned that in previous class. Look at that. Yes, page number 8. This is previous class. What is that? We discussed about that in previous class. It is a one of the poem. So what is that poem name? My Shadow. Okay, in this lesson, question answers is there and some hard words also I will wrote on the day and meanings also it's wrote. Okay, and question answers and some important blanks also there I will send afterwards. Next, today it starts that in new lesson. The lesson name is The Magic Lamp of Aladdin. Page number 12. What is that? Page number 12. Open that page number and 12 and third lesson, The Magic Lamp of Aladdin. Very interesting story Nana in this lesson. Before start that in lesson, number of hard words is there and meanings also is there. Now once check out. Look at that hard words. First one, what is that? How many members is there in this story and who one is important? The first one is given to you hard word Aladdin. The name also is there on that lesson. What is the magic lamp of Aladdin? Yes, the name also is there. Aladdin. Who's Aladdin? The spelling, look at that. A-L-A-D-D-I-N. Aladdin. Next one, stranger. Join with me everyone. First one, Aladdin. Stranger. Flickering. Look at that. Flickering. Glittering jewels. What is that? Glittering jewels. Trove. What is that? Trove. Next, dazzled. Next one, what is that? Dazzled. Next, wizard. Next one, what is that? Wizard. Next one, terrified. What is that hard word? Terrified. And join with me everyone. Floated. Look at that. Terrified. Floated. Next, slamming. Next one, what is that? Slamming. Next, genie. Important one. Genie. One of the person name is Aladdin and next magical power who got the number name is Genie. Next, stammer. Next one, look at that. This is a slamming. Next one, stammer. Okay. Next, wordlessly. What is that? Wordlessly. Next person name Halima. Look at that. Halima Sultan. Aladdin, Genie, Halima Sultan and Aladdin mother also is there. Okay. Next, lo and behold. Next hard word, what is that? Lo and behold. Whisked. What is that? Whisked. Next one, processions. Next one, what is that? Processions. Next, at their wits end. At their wits end. Next one, vanished. Vanished means it's a disappeared. Okay, vanished. Number of hard words is there. It's in this lesson hard words also is there. You must put the underline. So which one is hard word? Okay, in this hard words and next meanings also there. Nana. Number of meanings is there, but I will not have in space, so that's why I wrote only some of important meanings and another meanings also there. You must write in classwork in this hard words and total meanings write in your classwork one time. Okay, so what is the meaning is there? Look at that. And hard word also is there. Flickering. Look at that. Where that is one? Yes, flickering. And now meaning also is there. Flickering. What is that meaning? Shining unevenly. What is that meaning is given to you in flickering? Shining unevenly. Next one, trove. What is that? Next one, trove. A large supply of something. Trove means a large supply of something. Next one, dazzled. Next one, what is that? Dazzled. Dazzled means surprised. What is that? Dazzled means surprised. Next one, wizard. Next, what is that? Wizard. Wizard means Nana magic powers. Wizard means magic power. In this meanings, lengthy of sentence is given to you, but short of the word I will wrote on the blackboard. Okay, you must Listen carefully. You must underline that one. Wizard magic powers. Next one, flooded. Next one, what is that? Flooded. Flooded means completely filled. What is that? Completely filled. Next, genie. Next, what is that? Genie, a magical spirit with strange powers. What is that? What is the meaning of in genie? A magical spirit. A magical spirit with strange powers. Next, in flash. Next, what is that? In flash, very quickly. Next, meaning is given to you. Stammer. What is that? Stammer. Stammer means speak nervously. Speak nervously. And some another meanings also is there. We continue to start. Which one is there, ma? Floated also with stammer. Stammer means speak nervously. Next, wordlessly. Another not having space. No, some another meanings also is there. Look at the textbook. Page number 15. What is that next meaning is there? Wordlessly. Unable to see a word. Wordlessly means unable to see a word. Next, lo and behold. Next meaning also is there. Lo and behold. We say the meaning also. We say this to show surprised. Lo and behold, it means surprised. To show surprised. Next, whisk. Next one, what is that? Whisk. And the hard word also is there. Whisk. Okay. This whisk. To move someone or something very quickly. To move someone or something very quickly. Next, procession. Hard word also there. Procession. What is the spelling of procession? Look at that. What is the that one? P-O is there. P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-O-N-S. Possessions. It means belonging. What is that? Belonging. Next, at their wits' end. So worried because of their problem that they cannot think of way solving them. So this is the meanings is given to you. The short of the word I will write afterwards. And now started that in lesson. Very interesting story in this third lesson. So what is that third lesson? The magic lamp of Aladdin. So what have that in this lessons? Let us see. Look at that inside. This is an interesting story which describes magic incident in the life of the boy and whose name was Aladdin. Yes, very interesting story is there in this lesson and it's having in magical incidents is also there. And one of the boy is there in this story. So boy name is Aladdin. What is that boy name? Aladdin. He was very poor. Who's that? Aladdin. Aladdin is a very poor and his life is not a good because he is very poor. He suddenly started having adventures because of old lamp, a magic lamp, one of the old lamp. It means an old lamp, it's a magical lamp is there. So that wise an adventure also is there comes to in this story. So what will have in this story? Let us start. Okay, the first one, look at that page number 12. Once upon a time, a widow had an only son who named was Aladdin. Widow means a woman lost her husband. So on the type of woman we call that a widow. Okay. Next, once upon a time, a widow had an only son whose name was Aladdin. Okay. Widow, son name is Aladdin. They were very poor. Aladdin tried to earn some money by collecting wild figs and picking bananas. Yes. Okay. Widow, son name is Aladdin. They are very poor, ma. Okay, he is earned there. Only Aladdin also earned there in money. So he is working. So what is working? Collecting the wild figs and picking bananas. It's a do that in work and earn there in money. In this do that in work. One day Aladdin met a well-dressed stranger. Who is a stranger? Look at that. One day Aladdin met a well-dressed stranger who asked him an unusual questions. Okay, now I can understand or not. Look at that. One day Aladdin met a well-dressed stranger. The dresses are very decent and the both are gathering one of the place and is asked some unusual questions. On that time, look at that. How would you like to earn a silver coin? Who is asking? The stranger. It will ask that Aladdin. How would you like to earn a silver coin? A silver coin exclaimed. It's give to silver coin means on that time Aladdin is very surprised, exclaimed. And on that time in Aladdin, sir, I would do anything for a silver coin. Yes, I want that in silver coin. Why? Because they are very poor. No. So that wise I want that in silver coin. Well, just go down that manhole. So what is that gives to you? Look at that. Well, just go down that manhole, said the man. I am much too big to squeeze through myself. If you do ask, I ask, you shall have your reward. So some important work is given to you. If you do that in work, I will give to you silver coin. So on that time Aladdin is very exclaimed. So I will do anything to I will got that a silver coin. So on that time stranger also replied, you must go to that in manhole. It is very big squeeze is there. On that time you must go to on the manhole and brings to one of the lamp. On that time I will give to that in silver coin. It's replied that a stranger. On that time, look at that. Since Aladdin was slim and active, Aladdin, one of boy no. So on that time, a stranger replied. Stranger asked that time, Aladdin is very active and slim. He went down easily. Only manhole is there. The small manhole is there. Okay, he go on that time. He go down easily. Why? Because he is only slim and active. His feet touched stone and he carefully went down some step and found himself in a large cave. Yes. On that time, Aladdin is go down on that manhole and he touched the one of the stone and steps also is there and a large cave is there. Okay. The flickering light of an old oil lamp shone on a powerful sight. And the total cave also very darkness is there. But on the darkness, one of the lamp also very shining on that time. Dark on that moment, the shining of lamp is there. So focusing on that in sight. Trees were glittering jewels, pots of gold and chest full of priceless gems. What is there on the caves? Lamp also is there. It's a shining and wonderful sight is there. Glittering jewels. Okay, what is that? Glittering jewels. And look at that. Priceless gems also there. And totally filled of pots also there on that large cave. Look at that. It was a treasure trove. Unable to believe this, his eyes, Aladdin was standing dazzled when he heard a shout behind himself. Look at that. He is very surprised. So look at that. It's a number of jewels is there. The gold of pots is there. And the priceless gems is there. And one of the shining lamp also is there. It is a shining on that time. And on that time, Aladdin also very surprised and dazzled also. The lamp put out the flame and bring me the lamp, said the stranger. And upper also is there one of the stranger. But it said to that stranger, you must bring to one of the oil lamp. And said to stranger. The stranger that Aladdin, why should he want only an old lamp? He must be a wizard. What is the reply, Nana? The stranger only is asked about, not only is asked about that in glittering jewels and priceless gems and pots of in gold, only it will ask that in lamp. Why he is asking that in only in lamp? He is very surprised to think about that in Aladdin. That means he is a wizard. Wizard means what is that? Wizard means it's having magical power. That man, the person having magical powers, we call a wizard. Hand over the lamp, you must bring and hand over the lamp, to said to stranger to Aladdin. Shouted the wizard. Yes, very shouted to ask, you must bring to only in oil lamp, no one to touch that in gold or gems or any jewels. And shouted to wizard, I will leave you down there forever. You don't obey me. Yes, you only shouted to me. I will put down that in cave. So you must obey to you must obey to me, is replied that in Aladdin. Now on that time, next page, 13th page, no? Let me out first, said Aladdin. So on that time, look at that. On that time, stranger also only asked about that in what is lamp only, oil lamp only. But Aladdin only, let me come first, then I give you the lamp. But too bad of you, said the stranger angrily, slamming down the manhole cover. But as he did so, a ring slid off his finger. Aladdin saw it fall. The cave was now full of darkness. Aladdin was terrified. Yes, look at that. Too bad of you, only shouted that in stranger. Okay, Aladdin only it's obey to that in replied, but let me come first, then I will give to that in lamp. But he cannot understand that in stranger. The manhole also totally covered, and that cave also totally dark, but jewels also it's shining, and Aladdin also very terrified. Why? Because the cave totally covered that in manhole, it not focusing any light, so darkness is totally covered and surrounding, and Aladdin is a very terrified. Then he stepped on the ring, he picked it up and put it on his finger. He was so nervous that he twisted around the round. Suddenly the room was flooded with the light and then the genie appeared. Look at that. The stepped a ring, he picked it up and put it his finger. One of the finger it's wear that in one ring, and very nervous to sitting that in a cave. So he is very terrified that in Aladdin, so round and round he turned suddenly and flooded. Flooded means what is given? Completely filled. Okay, one of the flooded comes to light and gained genie appeared. Yes, flooded the light and gained one of the genie. Genie means what is that? A magical spirit with the strange powers. Look at this picture. Yes, in this picture called a genie. Appeared on the time at your commanded, sir, said the genie. Yes, appeared on that time. His comes to on that in old lamp and asked about that. At you commanded, sir, said the genie. Aladdin was surprised and he could only stammer, I want to go to home. In a flash, he was back in his own house. Yes, on that ring it comes to one, on that lamp it comes to that one of the genie. And is a commanded, sir. Commanded means ordered. Okay, ordered, sir, said to genie. On that time Aladdin replied, I am very terrified in this cave. I want to go to in home. In flash, it's come to that in flash he was back to in his home. Where have you been? Asked his mother. And mother is there, no, in that home. And the widow mother is asking to Aladdin. What she is asking? Where have you been? Aladdin told her of his adventure excitedly. Then he showed her the oil lamp. Yes, the stranger met and is go to in manhole, and what is the adventure is there, what is the darkness, and what is that glittering jewels, spots of gold. Totally adventure, totally explained about that mother. And look at that is give to that mother. It's a lamp. Show that one. And on that time, well, I hope it works. It's so old and dirty, and she began to rub the lamp. It's so dirty. It's look like that in lamp. So on that time, mother also rubbing on that lamp. Suddenly, in the could of the smoke shoot of the another genie. Yes, when she is rubbing on that lamp, and genie will appear. Genie will comes. Look at that. I am your obedient servant. Tell me your wishes, said the genie, bowing respectfully. Bow means it's a bend off, and respectfully asked, what is the, I will do everything for that. If you have any wish to ask me about that in genie. Asked that genie. Aladdin and his mother started at him wordlessly. It is totally surprised that mother also, and wordlessly, it's not having any word. I am your to command. Tell me what you want, repeated the genie. And on that time, genie will also, it's another time. What do you want? Commanded, sir. It's said to genie. But Aladdin said softly, bring us a lovely meal. Why? Because they are in very poor, it's not having any food items. Aladdin only will do that in work, it's end their money. So So genie will comes to on that time. Aladdin softly asked that to bring us a lovely meal. From that day on, Aladdin and his mother had everything that they could wish for: food, clothes, and a fine home. The genie atop the lamp granted them everything which they asked for. Look at that. What they want that in food or clothes or home, the totally gives to that in genie. Is asked about that in wishes to gives to in genie, and the lamp granted the everything which is asked for. Aladdin grew up into it. All the small boys there in Aladdin on that time when he do that in adventure. Now he's grew up. It's look like handsome. Look at that. Adi grew into a tall, handsome young man, and his mother felt it was time to he found himself a wife. Yes, on that time it's doing one of the boys there. Now he is a handsome and he's grew up. So he's found that in wife. Who is the mother? Mother also found that Aladdin's wife. So what happened? The next one we are discussed in next class. Okay, I hope I understand in this story, and once you read and write hard words and meanings in your classwork and copywriting also, and next what happened in the story tomorrow I will explain. Okay, thank you.